BJP, the opposition party in West Bengal, out on the streets protesting. Of course, the fingers pointed at the Mamata government for lapses. You see the women there scuffling with the Kolkata police. Lady officers trying to maintain discipline. It appears that protesters, the members here who belong to the BJP, are protesting on the streets. The cops trying to stop them. We're looking at the scuffle playing out.
কিভাবে মহিলা কর্মী সমর্থকদের সঙ্গে দস্তাদস্তি শুরু হয়ে গিয়েছে একেবারে দফায় দফায় যে বিক্ষোভ
ममता बनर्जी हम लोग को साइलेंस करने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं ममता बनर्जी साइलेंस करने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं क्लियर पिक्चर आज हम लोग जो प्रतिबाद कर रहे हैं ममता बनर्जी बोल रहे हैं हम भी चाहते हैं कि फांसी हो लेकिन एक्चुअली वो चाहते नहीं है आज हम लोग মমতা ব্যানার্জি পুলিশ আমাদের মুখ বন্ধ করতে চাইছে সেটাই আজকে দেখলেন আমরা কোনো কিছু করিনি আমাদের মঞ্চ বাঁধা একটা পিসফুল প্রোটেস্ট সেটা করতে দেওয়া হচ্ছে না অফ কোর্স our protest will continue we are going to the high court our protest will continue heaven or hell the world can fall apart but BJP will protest for Abaya পুলিশ সারি খোঁজে পুলিশ চুরি খোঁজে পাবলিকের উদ্দেশ্যে মমতা ব্যানার্জিকে পদত্যাগ করতে হবে ডাক্তার খুনের ছাত্রী তাই নিয়ে মমতা ব্যানার্জিকে পদত্যাগ করতে হবে বিজেপি আন্দোলন করবে বিজেপি আন্দোলন থামানো যায়নি আর যাবে না আমরা জাস্টিস চাই জাস্টিস মানে মমতা ব্যানার্জির পদত্যাগ মমতা ব্যানার্জির পদত্যাগ চাই we want justice we want justice we want justice
Largely spoken in Bengali. I'm going to bring in our correspondent Suryagni Roy to give us more elaborately what the BJP wants as they're out on the streets protesting simultaneously while doctors are also carrying out their agitation. Go on Suryagni, give us more. BJP out on the streets. We heard Agnimitra Paul who insists that they will continue the protests no matter what happens. Suryagni, if you can hear me. All right, we're going to try and patch his connection there, but you see that the BJP netas who are out on the streets there, led by Agnimitra Paul, we see a few other BJP leaders who are there, but largely members of the BJP who are seated on the ground, refusing to budge, many of them being detained. Those are the images where Kolkata police trying to maintain order. It's become a situation, a task certainly for the city's law enforcement agencies, considering that there are scores of people right now on the streets protesting. So it's a tad bit overwhelming, certainly, as we're already looking at the Kolkata police receiving a lot of heat for not maintaining order just 24 hours ago when protesters vandalized the Arjikar hospital. Now from then to now, the situation has only gotten a lot more tense. More protests have been planned. More people are out on the streets. It's a situation at hand as challenging for the Kolkata police at this point. And while that said, you have the High Court in Kolkata already.
মূলত আরজি করে যে ঘটনা সেই ঘটনার প্রতিবাদে আজকে একটি ধর্ণা কর্মসূচি ছিল শ্যামবাজার পাঁচমাথা মোড়ে
detaining a bunch of the BJP netas who are protesting. Remember, these protests generally needs permission. You can't be out in the streets randomly protesting, so permission is needed. If you do not have one, you'd be detained. It appears to be such. The BJP is out on the streets, not sure if they have permission to protest, clearly not, which is why they're being detained by the Kolkata police. And while this happens, simultaneously there's an agitation right outside the Arjikar hospital where scores of doctors, resident doctors and general public have also come together to protest. Remember, late last night, the film fraternity in Bengal, a lot of actors, TV actors, film actors in West Bengal who came together, lined up outside the Arjikar hospital to show their solidarity on the Kolkata doctors' rape and murder. The protests and to support the doctors' fraternity, ensure protection and safety for them as they continue to work. These are the doctors, young doctors, women who are working late night shifts. And it's a common affair across India. Without adequate security measures in place, women have to be working dead into the night at hospitals, in huge campuses, and there's zero safety protocol. And that's precisely what the doctors now want. They want proper structured guidelines on security deployment for doctors who are working late night shifts. And more importantly, those who assault doctors.
हम लोग रास्ते में उतर के प्रतिबाद कर रहे हैं बोल के हम लोग का अरेस्ट किया जा रहा है। आज इधर प्रतिबाद करना अन्याय है। ममता सरकार के अधीन में प्रतिबाद करना अभय के लिए प्रतिबाद करना अन्याय है। आज वहां पर सीपीएम प्रतिबाद कर रहे मंच बनाकर, लेकिन हम लोग को करने नहीं दिए जा रहे। और हम लोग ये भी बोले कि हम लोग अदालत के राय का अपेक्षा करेंगे, फिर भी हम लोग को कार्यकर्ता को उठा के लेके गया।
Okay, so the BJP there taking this up. It's now become a political face-off. Remember, the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee had pointed fingers at the BJP, claiming it's the BJP and the left protesters who infiltrated the doctors' agitation, barged into the RG hospital and vandalized it. A clear word that came from Mamata Banerjee herself, that BJP is to be blamed. They were the ones who sent their goons to vandalize the hospital and discredit the doctors' agitation. Well, that said, the BJP has been firing salvos at the Mamata Banerjee government for failing to protect its women. And you see the party out on the streets, the opposition now up in arms. They claim they will move heaven and earth to ensure justice for the young doctor who was raped and murdered. Well, opposition, of course, out in the streets. You have the doctors aside who are protesting on the streets in different parts of the country. A protest which is apolitical, has no association to a political party. Doctors' fraternity coming together, specifically demanding that the legal structure be made in such a manner to protect doctors. And if doctors are assaulted, there should be stringent punishment that should be mandated so that acts as a deterrent. You're looking at visuals there where cops and the police trying to block off some areas. Protesters there trying to block off areas with some bamboo sticks there. If I'm going to try and get a word from our correspondents. We're trying to patch our reporter there to explain to us the visuals we see on our screens. We're looking at bamboo sticks being used, placed right in the center of the streets there by the BJP workers who are protesting on the Kolkata rape and murder. There you see huge sticks being used to block off the roads. Let's have a look at our reporters on the ground bringing us these live ground reports. Listen in.
कोलकाता पुलिस के तरफ से बीजेपी को प्रदर्शन करने का अनुमति दिया गया यहाँ से कुछ ही देरी